I can almost see it. That dream I remember. There's a voice inside my head says you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My face is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high, 'cause there's always gotta be another mountain. I'm always gotta wanna make it move. Always gotta be an uphill battle. Sometimes you gotta have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, they might knock me down, but no, I'm not taking. I may not know it, but these are moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta keep trying, gotta keep my head held high.